today, pag-uusapan natin yung isang online lending platform which is kind of a scam. But first, I just want to let you know na magluluto po tayo ng pancit molo today. And pinagrab ko yung iba kong mga ingredients or actually most of it. Dahil, although mahal yung delivery fee sa Grab, but considering na it's delivery, nasa bahay lang, I end up saving. Kasi pag ikaw mismo yung lumabas, kung ano-ano pa yung nabibili. I guess okay na to. That's how much we need. Ola in question is Cash Mom. Cash Mom, yung panay text. And guys, disclaimer lang na ito yung content ko is actually featured on my main channel. Actually, vlogs. That's my main channel. And doon talaga yung mga tutorials, mga Finlit stuff, financial literacy, and reviews about online lending platform. And this channel naman is kind of lifestyle and just me being real. I'm sure most of you would say na, laki ba lang ang bahay mo? Bakit umutang ka pa sa Ola? It only means you have not been following me on this channel. Matagal na akong nag-vlog about online loan platforms and you've seen different backgrounds like that. Sa kotse ako nag-vlog because I don't have a studio kasi magulo sa bahay because it's small and maingay. And then, lumipat kami ng bahay. And then, over the time, I've shown improvement. Whatever you see now, it's never gonna be possible kung hindi siya because sa mga natutunan ko about Ola over the years. Because even this house, utang siya guys. Padpad kami sa BDO. Anyways, that's not my point here. Anyways, my point is, up to now, patuloy pa rin akong nag-topic ng Ola for awareness and financial literacy. Because doon ako nanggaling. Kasi kung hindi ko in-apply yung mga things na na-learn ko about managing Ola debt, hindi rin ako magkakaroon ng mga access sa ganito like bank loans, credit cards, and online loan platforms and offers that are much better than Ola na tag to 35%. May kaltas pa. Yan si Cash Mom. So this video is not sponsored. It is based on my personal experience and I hope that with my content, somehow maka-inspire ako na alagaan nyo guys yung credit history nyo because our habits as borrowers or mga palautang can actually make a very, very big difference. Maybe slow for some, it could take 10 years. Like ako, more than 20 years bago ako nagkaroon ng bahay, guys. Years bago ako nagkaroon ng access to credit card. And for many years, nagtiis ako sa home credit. Nothing against home credit, but it's just that there are other lending platforms that are better. Yun, pag-usapan natin si Cash Mom and why dapat iniiwasan yung mga ganitong mga classic online loan platforms. This will go into the molo balls. Kaya dapat minced, like minced na minced. While hinihintay natin si Grab, Cash Mom is an online lending platform that's registered. Tandaan nyo yun ha, registered. Guys, if you're still doubtful, ito po yung list of recorded online lending platforms sa website ni SEC. All you need to do is just do a simple Control plus F. Ayun siya guys, oh, number 13. Cash Mom Lending Investor Corporation. Text siya ng text, sabi niyo pwede ka raw humiram ng ganito and up to long term daw, but hindi eh. So, sinubukan ko siya para mabigyan kayo ng heads up at andun po siya, yung full review nandun po sa kabilang channel. But then, after kong nakautang sa kanya, kasi yung initial offer niya is 2,000 pesos at sinubukan ko 1,000 lang. And I just realized na this is an Ola na kailangan mo talagang iwasan. So, after that, I decided na magpa-delete. Wait lang guys, yung Grab natin andun na. Nakalimutan pa yung molo wrapper. Pagluluto ka ng pansit molo na walang molo wrapper, ano ba? Ba't walang malang tumawag sa akin? Pinaka-importanting ingredient, yun pa yung hindi nasali. Hindi malang tumawag si Robinson sa akin kasi yung option ko is to replace with a similar item. Wala lang naman pala, edi sana hindi na ako nagpa-grab. Ako na yung lumabas. Lumabas pa ako. Ended up having to buy this. Mag-instant pansit molo na lang ako to save time. Dahil ang laking oras na yung nasayang. Ito pa ha, ayaw ni Grab na nagmumurak. when you're sending feedback. Ayaw ni Grab na nagmumura ka. Gusto ko sana mag-complain, like with feelings, pero ayaw niya. Kasi if I continue to send another message na may bad word, they're going to suspend my account. So, here's what I want to say. Dear Grab, I am so happy with the incompetence. I ordered for a Molo wrapper. Pinagrab ko to save time and effort and money, but I am so happy na yun pa yung hindi nasama ni Robinson sa order ko. Wala man lang tumawag, pati yung rider, hindi ako tinawagan, so tuwang-tuwa ako kasi hindi tumawag si rider. Grabe, I'm so happy. At I'm so happy that I ended up na lumabas pa ng bahay to buy the ingredients myself. Grabe, so amazing! Anyways, wala tayong magagawa kung may ganun talagang mga tao. So, the point is, ayun, nag-request ako kay Cashmom na i-delete yung account. I sent them an email kasi wala po sa app yung option na mag-delete. Sumagot naman yung customer service that they're going to delete it daw. But when I checked the account, andun pa rin. Like, andun pa rin yung offer niyang 2,000 na by the way, may kaltas. So, hindi po siya buong natatanggap. Mukha siyang promising sa kanyang mga ads, sa kanyang mga texts, at kala mo ang galing-galing niyang loan app. Register, di ba? Pero, may kaltas. Like, sa 1,000 mong uutangin sa kanya, 35% tanggal agad. At kailangan mo bayaran in 6 days. 7 days. So, hindi siya maganda. Hindi siya okay as a loan app. And ito pa ha, for some cases, may tatawag pa bago nila i-approve yung loan mo kasi hingi siya ng best time to call if sakali iti-take mo yung offer. So, yes, madali siyang applyan, hindi siya mahigpit. All you need is one valid ID at kailangan mo lang masubmit ng form. Social accounts are optional, pero hindi, like, bakit pa? Pero, yung offer niya, it's not worth it. Like I said, tinry ko siya para mabigyan ko ng heads up. And if you want to see the full video, yung Cashmom nun talaga, it's in my main account. So, I requested na magpa-delete. Yung email niya is something that's like this. Pero, after 5 days, active pa rin yung account. Bakit? Sana yung mga ganitong mga klase mga loan app na hindi naman maganda yung offer, magbigay sana sila ng option na kung gusto natin ipa-delete insigida yung account natin. Lalo na kung wala naman tayong utang outstanding, kasi hindi naman yung basta-basta na di-delete, sana i-delete nila. Dahil ayaw nga sa loan app nila. Tigilan nila yung mga marketing, mga text nila ha, na kala mo napaka-promising. So yun, that's about Cashmom guys. And tatapusin ko pa yung luto ko today. I already have the green onions cut up. So imbis na ako yung gumawa ng molo, bumili ako ng ready-made. Kaya yun, boil na lang ako ng water, nilagyan ko lang ng pork. Naturally, parang may saltiness yung pork, kaya naglagay ako ng konting pork. And syempre, meron din tayong sesame oil for flavor. I'm just so dissatisfied with Grab today. I'm also dissatisfied with Cashmom. So, dapat kasi kino-call out yung mga ganitong klase mga serbisyo, no? Para hindi sila yung nag-aabuso, hindi sila yung complacent na, okay na yan, hindi tayo nakadeliver ng tamang service, okay na yan. May gagamit pa rin ng service natin kahit na may isang ma'am na hindi natuwa. Dapat pinapublic natin yung mga nitong reklamo because tayo kasi yung nagbabayad di ba? Anyways, so not so much about Grab kasi I still have okay naman ako sa Grab. This is just one of those rare occasions yung talagang nakaka-disappoint sila. Pero yung pinaka-topic ko dito is yung Cashmom. So, tatapusin ko lang yung pagluto ko ng pancit molo. Hindi ko ginamit yung gas range kasi wala lang, mas convenient sometimes na gamitin yung induction na stove. Some of the stocks, umaasa na naman tayong maging successful na plantita. So, yung ginawa ko, ayan siya, to hopefully propagate. Kasi ang ganda, ang lalaki ng mga spring onions. Gusto kong may ganito ako, no? Na hindi na natin kailangan ipa-grab.